Hey there, amazing people. Welcome back to the channel, where we show you how to turn your creativity into real income. Today, I'm going to reveal how your simple ideas, yes, the ones you think are too small or too basic, can actually make you money on YouTube. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss tips that can grow your channel and income. Also, if you want to take your YouTube journey to the next level, check out my favorite course that shows exactly how to create profitable YouTube channels, step by step, to mastery and monetization. Step 1. Understand the power of simple ideas. Here's the truth. Most people overthink YouTube content. They think they need huge budgets, expensive cameras, or viral level creativity. But the reality? Simple ideas win. Take a moment and think about your everyday life. What small problems do you solve? What little skills do you have that others might need? That's your gold mine. For example, a 5-minute video showing how you organize your desk or a short tutorial on a basic software hack can bring thousands of views if presented clearly. Even boring content works if it's helpful, entertaining, or relatable. YouTube's algorithm loves videos that people watch all the way through and engage with. And this is exactly where simple ideas shine. They are easy to digest, actionable, and relatable. Step 2. Focus on evergreen content. One of the best ways to turn a simple idea into passive income is by creating evergreen content. Evergreen content is the kind of content people search for year-round. Think topics like how to use a tool or app, easy DIY hacks, cooking or recipe tips, home organization ideas, productivity tricks. For instance, a 3-minute video showing 3 ways to quickly organize your desk might seem tiny, but can bring traffic for years, generating ad revenue consistently. When creating your content, ask yourself, will this help someone tomorrow, next week, or next year? Does this solve a problem or answer a question? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. Step 3. Keep videos short, engaging, and step-by-step. Now here's a secret that most new creators ignore. Step-by-step videos convert better. Why? Because people love clear instructions and hate feeling lost. If your video is about making a simple salad in 5 minutes, keep it clear and concise by breaking it into easy steps. Start by gathering all your ingredients, then chop and prep them neatly. Next, mix everything efficiently, add the dressing, and finally serve. Presenting your content step by step keeps viewers engaged, makes it easy to follow, and ensures they get value without feeling lost or overwhelmed. By presenting clear steps, your video becomes easy to follow. Viewers watch longer, comment, and share, which tells YouTube your video is valuable. Remember, long intros and overcomplicated explanations kill engagement. Keep it snappy, friendly, and informative. Step 4. Leverage affiliate links. This is where the magic happens. Once your video is live, you can monetize beyond ads by using affiliate links. For example, if your video is about productivity tools, share links to your favorite apps or courses. Here's what I recommend. For anyone serious about creating profitable YouTube channels, check out Tube Mastery and Monetization. To grow your channel faster and smarter, grab vidIQ. Make sure to place these links in the description and mention them naturally in your video. For instance, if you want a complete roadmap to turn your simple ideas into profitable channels, check the link below. By recommending tools or courses you actually use, your audience is more likely to trust and click, turning views into real income. Step 5. Optimize titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. You can have the best idea, but if no one clicks, it won't make money. That's why optimizing your title, thumbnail, and description is crucial. Tips for titles. Keep it clear and clickable. Include numbers or how to. Make it promise value without being clickbait. Example: 3 simple ideas that make money on YouTube in 2025. Thumbnails. Use bright colors and contrast. Show a person or expressive element. Keep text minimal and readable. Descriptions. Include affiliate links naturally. Summarize your video. Add keywords people search for. Remember, tools like vidIQ help you research keywords and trends so your videos get discovered faster. That's why I always recommend it. vidIQ link. Step 6. Consistency is key. Even simple ideas won't work if you post sporadically. Consistency tells YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active, which helps your videos rank better. Start small if needed. Posting 1 to 2 videos per week is enough, as long as they are valuable and focused. Over time, your audience grows, and so does your revenue. Step 7. Repurpose simple ideas. Here's another strategy. Repurpose your content. Repurpose your content to reach more audiences. Convert a 5-minute video into a 1-minute YouTube short. Share key moments as screenshots or slides on Instagram and TikTok, and transform your video into a blog post for additional traffic. Repurposing not only grows your audience, but also maximizes your earning potential from a single idea. Even small ideas can snowball when you spread them across platforms. Step 8. Engage with your audience. Monetization isn't just about views, it's about community. Reply to comments, ask questions, and encourage people to share their own experiences. Engagement signals tell YouTube your content is worth promoting. The more your audience interacts, the more your videos are shown, and the more money you make. Pro tip: at the end of every video, remind people to like, comment, and subscribe. Example: did you enjoy these simple money-making ideas? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips every week. Step 9. Experiment and learn. Not every video will succeed, and that's completely fine. The important part is to test, learn, and improve continuously. Pay attention to which videos get the highest watch time, which drive clicks on your affiliate links, and what feedback your audience leaves in the comments. Use these insights to refine your content strategy. YouTube favors creators who adapt, so keep experimenting with different formats, styles, and niches until you discover what consistently resonates and performs best. Step 10. Scale up. Once you've discovered what works, it's time to scale up. Focus on creating multiple videos around a central theme. Outsource editing to save time. Explore related niches to reach new audiences, and collaborate with other creators to expand your reach. Scaling strategically turns simple ideas into a consistent, growing source of income. At this stage, your simple ideas become a system that generates consistent income. Some creators even turn this into a full-time business, earning thousands of dollars per month from simple, easy-to-produce content. So there you have it. Your simple ideas are more powerful than you think. By focusing on evergreen, step-by-step, and engaging content, using affiliate links, and optimizing for discovery, you can turn even the smallest idea into a source of real money on YouTube. Remember, consistency, engagement, and experimentation are your best friends. And don't forget, the tools I shared today can accelerate your results. Check out Tube Mastery and Monetization to learn how to build profitable channels step by step. Use vidIQ to grow your channel faster and smarter. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips to grow your YouTube channel and income, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Remember, your next simple idea could be the one that changes everything.